Welcome to my channel. Brother MFC J6955DW Wi-Fi setup plus mobile printing. 1. Unbox and power on the printer. Plug in your printer and press the power button. Wait until the touchscreen is fully loaded and ready. Make sure the printer is placed close to your Wi-Fi router for a stable connection. 2. Open network settings on the printer. On the touchscreen display, tap Settings Network WLAN Setup Wizard. This will allow the printer to search for nearby wireless networks. 3. Choose your home Wi-Fi network. From the list of available networks, select your home Wi-Fi name. If you don't see it, tap Refresh and try again. 4. Enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Carefully type your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Double-check for uppercase and lowercase letters, then press OK. 5. Wait for successful connection message. The printer will now connect to your Wi-Fi. Once you see connection successful, tap OK to finish setup. 6. Install the official mobile printing app. Download the Brother iPrint and Scan app on your smartphone. This app is developed by Brother Industries and helps you print and scan wirelessly. 7. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi. Make sure your mobile device is connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network as the printer. This is required for mobile printing to work. 8. Add the printer inside the app. Open the app and tap Add Device or select Printer. The app will automatically search and connect to your printer. 9. Print a test document or photo. Choose any image or document from your phone and tap Print. Adjust print settings if needed and confirm the job. 10. Quick troubleshooting if printer not found. Restart your printer, phone, and Wi-Fi router. Ensure Wi-Fi is stable and try adding the printer again through the app. Quick troubleshooting if printer not found. Restart your printer, phone, and Wi-Fi router. Ensure Wi-Fi is stable and try adding the printer again through the app. Thanks for watching.